Well, now we're going to begin a journey into proportions and similarity. And we start off by extending our skills into ratios and proportions. So let's start off here about what is a ratio. Well, a ratio is a comparison of two quantities using division. And we can express ratios in a number of ways. We might say it's something like A to B. We could express it A colon B, or we could say that it is A over B, and of course where B cannot equal 0. And we usually express these in the simplest form. So let's begin by taking a little word problem here and recognize how we would express this as a ratio. So in Logan's High School, he goes to a big high school. There are 190 teachers and 2,650 students. What is the approximate student-teacher ratio? Well, we know there's 190 teachers, and we know there's 2,650 students. But where we got to be careful is, what is it really asking us to do? It is saying, what is the approximate student to teacher, A to B. Student to teacher, well, there's 2,650 students, and there are 190 teachers. And this is how we would initially write that ratio. Now, I probably need a little help here. I don't want to have to go too long on trying to simplify this, so guess what I'm going to use? I'm going to use a calculator, see if that'll help me. So I'm going to take 2,650 and I'm going to divide it by 190, because remember, ratios are the comparison of two quantities using division. And that comes to 265 over 19. Well, let's see, I may want to get that. I'm going to put that into the form of a decimal. Take a look at that. I'm going to go here to number. I'm going to say convert that to a decimal for me, please. And it comes out to 13.9474. And it does say to give me the approximate ratio. Well, 13.9474 is pretty close to 14, so I'm going to say this is a student-teacher ratio of 14 to 1. Why wouldn't I put 13.9474? Because I don't know any people that are 0.9474 of a person. You're either a whole person or you're not. 14 to 1. Read your problem. Figure out what ratio we're actually trying to achieve. What are we talking about? Because we can't have a partial person. It does say to approximate it. And what would be 265 over 19 or 13.9474, I can say in its simplest form, is really a student-teacher ratio, we're talking about people, of 14 to 1.